the subconscious mind hack no one talks about. Welcome to Mind Muscle Minute with the Subconscious Muse. Your subconscious mind controls 95% of your life. But what if I told you there's one hack that no one talks about that can reprogram it overnight? This isn't meditation. This isn't affirmations, and it's not what you think. Your subconscious is programmed by identity repetition, not just by words, but who you see yourself as. The trick? Speak in past tense like it's already true. Instead of saying, I am successful, say, I've always found success so easy. Your mind resists change, but when it thinks something is a memory, it doesn't argue, it accepts. Try this for 7 days and watch your reality shift. Drop a fire emoji in the comments if you're in. Thank you for watching. See you next time.